With the Nullarbor crossed, we had a couple of days chilling out and taking it easy at Ceduna.
And getting a hot shower.
With that out of the way, it's back on the road. So the plan now is to head basically around the Eyre Peninsula. So we're heading south or southeast at the moment. So we'll head down the west side of the peninsula, ultimately across to Port Lincoln, and then back up the east side. As before, no particular plan. We'll just hit the road and see what takes our fancy along the way. Do you want to add anything, Karen?
27 degrees outside and it's only 10:15 in the morning. Predicted to get up to about 37, 38 today, so it's going to be a hot one.
We're probably only about an hour and a half south of Ceduna. And we're also about, I don't know, 10, 15k off the main highway. But what a place. I think the whole of this side of the Eyre Peninsula is going to be like this. Little bays, little coves, all the way down. So the plan is to try and find somewhere like this to camp tonight. The whole beach, all to ourselves.
Oh, he's not happy, Mark.
This is Perlubie Beach. The main campsite is actually on the beach over there. Looks a bit busy. Probably not for us. But check out that water. The first night on our little tour around the Eyre Peninsula brings us to Streaky Bay. In fact, Streaky Bay is about 20 k's away. We're in a place just around the corner from Bauer Point. I'm not quite sure how that's pronounced. We're in this wild camping area. We are one of two campervans. There's another one over to the right. And we're about an hour and a half away from sunset. That's off to the west, so the sun will be setting in that direction. And we are just chilling out. I'll get the drone up in a bit, get some nice views of the campsite as the sun goes down. We've got this little beach next to us. Not really accessible unless for the brave or the foolhardy. Actually, it would be possible to scramble down there without too much difficulty. I suspect getting back up will be a bit more of a challenge.